In this video, I'll show you how to connect to PancakeSwap and swap BSC tokens directly through your Trust wallet. If you're an Android user, head to the DApp Browser and type in PancakeSwap.finance in the search bar, or head down to the DeFi section and tap on the PancakeSwap DApp. If you're using an iOS device, simply head to your preferred web browser and type in PancakeSwap.finance, then Connect Wallet. Select Trust Wallet and accept the connection to PancakeSwap. Once you're connected, you can check your wallet up here. There are a number of features in the PancakeSwap DApp, from earning through farming and pools, competitions and lotteries, to their very own NFT collections and marketplace. But that's for another time. We can tap on the swap option here to see the initial swap list, or we can add a custom token address here in the search bar. Please note, if you're adding a custom token, be sure to research the token you are aiming to swap first, as some tokens could be scams and may result in a loss of your funds and you may not be able to trade them back. If we tap on the Manage Tokens, we can turn on the top 100 tokens, or we can also toggle PancakeSwap's extended list to see the full listed range available. You can fine-tune your swap preferences by heading to Settings. Here, you can set the transaction speed, slippage tolerances, and deadline. It's fine to leave these on the default settings, but just in case a token has lower liquidity, you may want to try and increase the slippage to 1 or 2% if the transaction doesn't go through the first time. Slippage is the difference between the expected trade price and the executed trade price. I'm going to swap my Smart Chain BNB for PancakeSwap's native token, Cake. But once you've found the swap you'd like to do, just enter the amount you'd like to swap and select the swap button. A smart contract call will appear in your wallet. Just tap confirm if everything looks okay. If you don't see the token appear in your wallet automatically, you may need to add the token as a viewable asset. Just tap on the icon in the top right, search for your token and toggle on. Now your asset should be visible. You may want to swap Ethereum. Well, as PancakeSwap is built on Binance Smart Chain, you'll need BSC or Smart Chain BNB. If you only have Ethereum tokens, you can swap or wrap them for the Smart Chain BEP20 equivalent on Binance Bridge. Just head to Binance Bridge, connect your Trust wallet, and swap or wrap your Ethereum-based tokens to BEP20 token standards. Trust Wallet is the perfect place to store all of your crypto and NFTs, explore the world of DeFi and stake your favourite crypto, connect to the world of dApps, instantly exchange and buy crypto, and check charts and prices, all at your fingertips.